Before starting the story, I would like to ask one question from all of you. How many like adventures here? So, would you like to have an adventure with Elio? Eli? Yeah, it's the main character or protagonist. So, Eli was like machines too much, and once like he was used to live on St. Petersburg, where people don't like machines, but he's the only one who used to like it. So when he was making a machines, once he made a mistake, and it opens a portal. That portal is connected to another dimension, which is called uh, Eldoria. But when he that when he passed the portal, he found that there are less um, populations. There are very less population. So when he goes there, he found very herbivorous and non-herbivorous animals. But there are no humans. Elves are there. But he had mistakenly had done a wrong thing, that he hadn't brought that machine which was made that portal. So the portal end means it was he was another dimension, and the portal had ended, and he is that in that dimension only. So he was actually like a trap. So he's tried to get it back, but he know that how to make that machines again. So he trying to have an things to make this make the machine back. But here he had problem that he was not able to find those machines, parts, iron, because there are no humans. As we know, humans create a lot of things, but there are elves which had only weapons to have their dinner one night. So let's start. The allow means like the how can I say? The L, but he had one more friend was with him. His name is Amph, Amph. Okay, so with Amph, he tried to get it back, get the things back to have the machine back with the portal and go back the with at his home. But he enjoy that adventure. He's trying to get more things. He had more adventures with his friend. Had now then one more friend. He's an elf, which is area, area, area. So that area is very much have a very butterfly knife, if you know that, and that the butterfly knife is very dangerous. With that, like he's a cook of that. He with 5 years or more than that, when he was able to have all the materials to make the machine back, but there was a problem. Its paradise was very means he liked the paradise which was made by mistake, that portal, but he liked it a lot. So he don't want to go back. So he had that he will come here back. So I would like to present that with the area he came back to the his home, but there was a problem that he was 5 years that late, 5 years late. Uh, that means there are a lot of things had happened. So with Ams, he decided that he will live in that in the his paradise only. Thank you for this.